and go around, but to be here on behalf of the Salesian Order to confirm about what we are doing, and going back, tell the Hector Major that we are working together as a Salesian Order.
Joint meet of the provincial delegates of South Asia region in social communication and formation begins in Guwahati. Father Ivo Cielho and Father Gildazio Mendes, both general councillors for the Generalate Rome, were present. In the inaugural Mass, Father Ivo, the General Councillor of Formation, presided over the Holy Mass, where he stressed on the need to be like Jesus. At 9 a.m. during the inaugural function of the meeting, Father Januaris Sangma, the Provincial of Guwahati Province, gave the official welcome for all the participants. He reminded the gathering about the miracles of Mary Help of Christians in the Northeast. Present on dais of the event were Father Ivo Cielho, Father Gildazio Mendes, Father K.M. Jose and Father Joyce. The joint meet, which is the first of its kind, will be ending on the 5th of August 2022. Father Gildazio, who is the General Councillor for Social Communication, will make his maiden visit to Shillong.
Been sharing about this topic. Communication information, as Father Ivo said this morning, is a historical moment. I think it's the first time. And here, my brothers, we are on behalf of Hector Major, the General Council. It's not only a meeting for sharing some ideas and go around, but to be here on behalf of the Salesian Order to confirm about what we are doing, and going back, tell the Hector Major that we are working together as a Salesian Order. 2 years and a half see each other through Zoom or Google. When I gave a hug last night in my delegates, I was really moved.
Our challenge to live in this world. How do we live and work as Salesians in this new world? It is a topic on which we have been reflecting the last few years together with Father Gildazio and many others around the world in the process of revising the Ratio, clearly not associated only with initial formation, but principally with our responding to God's call every day up to the last moment of our lives. And communication, which in another way has become omnipresent through the digital world. And I think our topic therefore is extremely relevant towards the Salesian proposal for formation in a digital world. How can we keep responding to God's call in this world which is truly digitalized in a way that we have not completely realized yet? I think we should remember also we are still living the year of Francis de Sales, patron of journalists, patron of communicators. No? So another reason for us to own this aspect of our charism. So we work for young people, we work for ordinary people, working class people, and also in the area of the social communications. So this is very much part of our charism, and therefore we have to ask how to be formed and how to respond to God and to young people in this area also.
For me, the fact that we are able to come together like this is a God-given moment. And I think it's very, very fitting. It's true that in the past they do have some discussions together. For example, this book I picked up in 2017 when I went to Rome for our Brunson's meeting. Elements for the formation of Salesians in communication. And now and then I used to go through, especially since I was given this charge of the communication sector, as to how we need to inculcate the elements that are needed for the formation. We know that today teaching is not just communicating a content, but forming young people.